Hey, what's your name, kid?
Rica Zamora.
What are we going to do today?
Open up Ryan's Toys Reveal blind bag.
Is Brian blind now? He's got like a stick and sunglasses? What's going on? We talking about blind bag.
Ryan's Toys Reveal blind bag.
Oh, because you can't see what's inside. All right, it's all you, girl.
Okay. Yeah.
Ryan's her future husband, apparently.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, which one is that?
Building Ryan.
Oh, that's cool. So he's got like a hard hat on, and oh, that's good. If you marry him and he's working hard, that's good. You can.
And he also got a hammer.
Oh, cool.
See,
That's
he
cool.
got a hammer.
So now you've got Karate Ryan, you got Robot Ryan, you got Builder Ryan. Cool. Want to open one more?
Yes, but I gotta put his hammer on.
Okay. What do you think the R stands for on his helmet?
R for Ryan.
Oh, it's not reckless or rambunctious.
That means R for me too.
What's your name again?
Rica.
How do you spell Rica?
R-I-C-A.
Oh.
A-M-O-R-A.
Oh, Rica Zamora. Okay. So you want to open another one?
Yeah.
All right. Mystery figure coming up.
Okay. But yeah.
Oh, it's another new one. That's cool.
Oh, house racing Ryan.
Oh, it's like a race car Ryan. Yeah, he better not have a lead foot if you're in the car. Make him drive careful and pull over when the cops come.
Wow. How did I do that? He also got one.
It's a trophy.
Yeah, because he got the first place.
Okay.
And here's Ryan.
So we got Builder Ryan with a hammer, and we've got Race Car Ryan with a trophy. Cool. You got 4 Ryans now, and it looks like collect them all. Now it looks like there's 3 times 5, 15. Oh my gosh. So there's like 60 different Ryans.
Okay, so I gotta say something.
Okay.
Okay, so we got Building Ryan. Let's find Building Ryan.
Okay, at $3.88 each times 60 of them, oh my gosh, Rica, we would be spending a lot of money to get your whole collection. You're going to end up with duplicates, you're going to have to trade. What are we going to do?
Different Building Ryan, different combo, or different Inventing Ryan.
Ryan, if you're watching this, feel free to send us the rest of the collection and at a discount. That'd be great. Like a cute Philippine discount, okay?
Bye for my subscribe.
Bye.